welcome back to another episode of Let Him Ask. Our guest for today is the pull-in close king, Sir Ben of Megaworld at the Fort.
Hello guys!
So Sir Ben, I have one question for you. How does rent-to-own works?
Thank you for that question. Usually, rent-to-own works when properties like we have here in Park McKinley West offers at least a lower equity. Like for this one, 10% equity lang required sa mga clients to move in as early as this year. So, it works like habang nagbabayad kayo ng amortization, you can already maximize the unit. For example, you use it for rental business and the earnings from that rentals could pay off the property. Kaya siya natatawag na rent-to-own.
Thank you for answering that, Sir Ben. And for more frequently asked questions about real estate, follow for more.